instead. This morning, I went over to Meade tractor, John Deere dealer, and I picked up this HR1-20q air compressor. I can't hardly find any reviews on this air compressor, so I figured it'd be good to do one. And this is the operator's manual. Tells all about it. And but more importantly, let's get out and look at the air compressor. All right, John Deere air compressor, a really nice looking piece of what I would call equipment. Was too good to pass up. I considered other brands, like deere makes a really good air compressor, and Porter Cable probably makes a good one, and Craftsman makes a good one, but I just could not hardly pass up this John Deere, especially being a John Deere fan. It does have the rubber isolators, semi pneumatic tires. They do not have, they're not air up ones. And it does have dual outlets, regulator, tank, and your tool pressure. Here's where you wind up your cord. But it's a really nice air compressor. But like I said, there's other brands that are really nice too, especially the DeWalt that Lowe's sells. This one, the MSRP is $375, and I got it for $397 out the door cash, and that's pretty cheap, you know, being a John Deere product. Everybody usually thinks John Deere is a whole lot higher, but the DeWalt in comparison to this is close to the same price. So, but I guess it's whatever your preference is. It does have the drain port underneath. Let's see what else. Here's the on and off switch. Here's the back of the air compressor. And here is to let some pressure out if need so. Let me turn the air compressor on now. Weighs 109 pounds. I believe what the spec said on it. Here's the back. And it does have twin filters. So, rubber grip to lean back and to pull on. Hang your air hose. And warning labels. Here is, tells of the model number, horsepower 1.5 horsepower, 11 amps. 90 psi, the 150 psi max, and then it says drain tank after each use. Probably not many people does that, including myself. But it is a really nice air compressor. I'm very pleased. Not for sure how performance wise, but I'm fixing to find out here in just a little bit. Let's raise the garage door and bring it in. Meade tractor, I do like their business. They're very professional, and I do recommend them to anybody that lives in Kentucky. And also, here is my John Deere 757 Z-Track, 25 horsepower Kawasaki, and Lords will be doing a review on it in later videos. So just keep watching. Trying to get my phone to bounce. Now out of the truck, onto the ground. It's, I'm thinking 41.2 inches with the spec set on it. And it is a stubby air compressor, but it's just the perfect size for a small garage or a small workshop. And, but here's the top of it. Notice that it does have metal line. Okay, let's plug it up. On them, had just a tiny bit of air in it. Might turn on, not for sure. Okay, plugged up. Let's listen to it. Extremely quiet. Thought it would be louder than that. I'm very pleased. Very pleased. Already building pressure. So I would highly recommend this item, especially being John Deere. They're known for quality products, and especially if I was going with one this size, I would buy again. But like I said earlier in this video, there is a lot of air compressors out there that are good. Campbell, Hosfield, DeWalt, Porter Cable, Craftsman. But I just am a John Deere fan, and plus having John Deere mower and a John Deere blower also, and wanting to add to the John Deere collection, I really wanted the John Deere air compressor to match the rest. So, but it is building air fast. I have a little small twin tank, Campbell Hosfield, and I was not pleased with it at all. Just to air one tire up took too long to get pressure build up in the tank. So I figured it's time that I needed to get something a whole lot different and a whole lot better. But it is very quiet. Turned it off. Okay, it's almost built 90 psi in probably maybe 2 minutes. So that is really good. Really good. All right. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and watch more videos. Thank you.